Have you ever wondered about the magic behind your favorite movie snack? Today, we're diving into the mechanics of how a popcorn popper works. Popcorn is a universal crowd pleaser, but the process of turning a hard kernel into a fluffy treat is a fascinating bit of food science and engineering. At its core, popcorn is a special type of corn kernel that contains a small droplet of water and hard starch. When heated, this moisture turns to steam, creating immense pressure inside the kernel. There are three main ways to pop corn: hot air, stovetop, and microwave. Each method uses a unique approach to deliver the necessary heat. Hot air poppers are popular for making low-fat popcorn. They rely on dry, high heat to get the job done. Inside a hot air popper, an electric heating element quickly gets hot. A fan is then used to push air over this element, creating a powerful stream of hot air. This intensely hot air is then circulated up, around, and through the popcorn kernels in the popping chamber, raising their internal temperature rapidly. Once the internal temperature reaches about 356 degrees Fahrenheit, the pressure of the steam inside the kernel causes the hull to burst, expanding the starch into the fluffy popcorn we love. Stovetop popping, often considered the classic method, typically involves a pot or specialized kettle and cooking oil. For stovetop popping, oil is heated first. This oil acts as an efficient medium to transfer heat directly to the kernels through conduction, enveloping them in heat. Many stovetop poppers include a stirring mechanism. This ensures that all kernels are exposed to the hot oil equally, preventing burning and maximizing the pop rate. Just like the hot air method, the goal is to quickly heat the kernel until the internal moisture turns into superheated steam, causing the explosion. Microwave popcorn is the fastest method, relying on electromagnetic energy to generate heat directly within the kernels. Microwave bags are specially designed. Some contain a, quote, susceptor, a patch of material that absorbs microwave energy, heating up intensely to help the popping process along. The microwave energy primarily heats the water molecules inside the corn kernels, rapidly building the steam pressure that leads to the pop, all within minutes. Whether you choose hot air, stovetop, or microwave, the core scientific principle remains the same. Controlled heat application is key. Ultimately, every popcorn popper's design is about efficiently transferring heat to raise the kernel's internal temperature, turning moisture into explosive steam. Now that you know the science, enjoy your next batch of perfectly popped corn.